Hello, my name is Sibo, and I just came out the back end of Heal Your Life retreat with Simone. It's been really incredible. I think um, most of the questions I had in my mind coming into the retreat have really been settled, and the ones that have not been settled, I've been given tools on, the approach of getting to the answer, of understanding purpose and what I need out of my life. So definitely, if you're someone who would love to come to this retreat, I would say you are doing yourself a favor. And if you have friends or anyone, you need to come. Not because, I'm saying so. I'm saying it because it will literally put you in such a the best trajectory for your life, because these are things we don't deal with. We don't talk about stuff, and we let it sit and simmer, and it influences how we behave, and we wonder why we can't change, because there's these patterns that have been going on and on and on. And here you come and you expose and you become aware. And what I like is the tools that you are given when you leave this retreat, and how to continue living your life.